Every single day, massive industrial plants manufacture millions of bricks to build our modern world.
Dedicated teams of skilled professionals arrive around the clock to maintain non-stop automated manufacturing operations.
Before stepping onto the aggressive production floor, operators undergo rigorous safety protocols and machinery updates.
The journey begins out in the deep, open-pit quarries, where rich geological deposits are mined. Massive hydraulic excavators slice into the earth to extract tons of dense raw material. Heavy bulldozers clear away topsoil and unwanted rock layers to expose the purest clay deposits. Tons of heavy geological material are dropped into haulers capable of moving extreme weight. Loaded haulers battle gravity as they transport the raw clay up steep quarry roads. The raw material arrives at the primary storage yard to begin its industrial refinement. Tons of excavated earth are discharged into a giant mechanical intake hopper to start production. Heavy-duty steel apron feeders drag the dense material forward into the primary crushing zone. The fractured material is elevated via high-speed belts toward the intermediate storage silos. Powerful overhead magnets extract stray metallic fragments to protect sensitive downstream processing machinery. Purified material is metered out of storage bins to ensure a consistent volumetric flow rate. The material enters a secondary milling stage, where massive counter-rotating steel rollers await. Extreme compressive forces pulverize any remaining solid particles into an ultra-fine, uniform powder. The refined clay flakes are transported rapidly toward the high-frequency vibrating screening decks. Thousands of microscopic vibrations per minute separate fine clay dust from oversized particles automatically. Any material failing to meet the strict size requirements is returned to the milling loop. The perfectly refined clay powder accumulates within massive silos, awaiting the critical hydration process. Automated pneumatic valves actuate to release a precise mass of clay powder into the blending chamber. Inside the high-tech control room, engineers monitor real-time data to manage exact moisture levels. Precision liquid injection systems atomize water, blending it perfectly with the advancing dry powder. Massive twin shafts, equipped with heavy steel paddles, rotate to knead and compress the mixture. Continuous mechanical shearing forces break down any localized dry pockets within the dense paste.
The once dry geological earth has now been transformed into a highly plastic, dense industrial paste. A high-capacity vacuum system extracts entrapped air bubbles to maximize the final brick's structural density. A massive internal auger screw grips the de-aired clay, driving it toward the forming die. Enormous hydraulic and mechanical forces compress the material into a solid, high-density structural mass. The dense material enters the precision die head, where it will receive its final rectangular shape. Special internal core rods displace material to create hollow channels that improve thermal insulation properties. An endless, perfectly uniform column of formed clay emerges continuously from the extrusion machinery. The continuous column travels along high-speed conveyor lines toward the automated cutting mechanisms. Automated texturing rollers emboss a classic, rustic finish onto the exterior faces of the clay. A ultra-fine water mist is applied to lubricate the column before it meets high-velocity cutting wires. The endless clay block approaches the high-speed cutter assembly to be divided into individual bricks. Ultra-high tensile steel wires are tensioned precisely to define the exact dimensional width of each brick. The mechanical cutting carriage accelerates forward,
matching the conveyor velocity to ensure perfectly straight vertical slices. With flawless timing, the tensioned wires plunge down through the clay column, dividing it cleanly.
The newly formed green bricks accelerate on a fast belt, separating from one another safely. Advanced electronic sensors scan each green brick to ensure absolute dimensional accuracy and perfection. Any item failing the strict quality tolerance threshold is automatically diverted to the recycling line.
High-speed robotic transfer arms utilize heavy-duty vacuum grippers to lift rows of perfect bricks simultaneously.
The automated arm arranges the green bricks onto massive steel drying pallets with micromillimeter precision. Automated heavy machinery stacks the loaded pallets vertically, ensuring optimal uniform air circulation channels. Intelligent automated guided vehicles navigate the factory floor to transport the massive rack assemblies.
Operating without human intervention, these robotic haulers follow precise digital pathways toward the drying tunnels.
Heavy, thermally insulated blast doors slide open to reveal the entrance of the primary drying system. The fragile green bricks enter the preheating chamber, embarking on a carefully regulated thermal dehydration cycle. Inside the automated drying chambers, hot air circulates continuously to extract moisture from the delicate material.
Temperature and humidity levels are strictly controlled to prevent the wet clay from cracking or warping. Millions of microscopic pores allow internal water vapor to slowly escape into the heated atmosphere above. As the moisture evaporates over several hours, the entire clay structure shrinks slightly and becomes rigid.
To maximize energy efficiency, excess thermal energy from the main firing kiln is redirected in here. Giant industrial ventilation fans guarantee that the hot airflow reaches every single brick in the stack. Automated sensors constantly monitor the internal climate to ensure a perfectly uniform drying cycle is maintained. The completely dried bricks are now physically stable enough to handle the immense heat of firing. Heavy automated doors open as the dehydrated bricks exit the chamber, ready for their final transformation.
Robotic transfer cars move the massive stacks smoothly toward the extreme environment of the tunnel kiln. The bricks arrive at the entrance of a massive, continuous tunnel kiln built from refractory steel.
This enormous thermal chamber operates non-stop for months, processing thousands of building components every single day.
Specially designed kiln cars lined with heat-resistant ceramics prepare to carry the load into the fire. Hydraulic pushers slide the heavy cars slowly into the entrance, beginning a carefully calculated thermal journey.
The internal temperature rises gradually to prevent thermal shock from destroying the structural integrity of the bricks. As they move deeper into the tunnel, the ambient heat approaches 1,000 degrees Celsius rapidly. Massive gas-powered burners ignite with a roar, flooding the central firing zone with intense flames. Inside the inferno, the raw clay undergoes a complete chemical transformation known to engineers as vitrification. Internal minerals melt slightly, fusing the raw particles together into an incredibly dense and solid stone. The original fragile earth is completely gone, permanently replaced by an exceptionally durable and rigid structure. Engineers in the master control room carefully track the thermal curves to ensure perfectly fired bricks. Even the slightest drop in temperature during this critical phase could ruin an entire production batch. The bricks glow bright yellow from the extreme radiant heat inside the deepest section of the kiln.
Once vitrification is complete, the moving cars slowly push the structural components into the cooling zone.
Industrial ventilation systems introduce cool air gradually to prevent any rapid thermal contraction from causing fractures.
As the ambient temperature drops, the blinding glow fades away to reveal a rich terracotta color.
The bricks emerge from the exit doors entirely transformed, carrying incredible compressive strength and weatherproof durability. Automated grippers lift the perfectly fired bricks off the thermal cars, transferring them to the inspection line. Every single piece must undergo strict mechanical testing before it can be approved for global distribution. High-speed acoustic sensors tap each brick, listening for the distinctive sharp ring of solid perfection. Any brick that produces a dull thud is instantly identified as fractured and rejected by the computer. Advanced optical cameras scan the outer surfaces to ensure the color and rustic texture meet aesthetic standards.
Defective units are mechanically diverted off the main line to be crushed and repurposed as gravel base.
The flawlessly fired products continue down the conveyor toward the high-capacity automated palletizing and packaging bays. Massive industrial robotic arms pick up complete layers of bricks with impressive speed and mechanical precision. The machines interlock each brick layer carefully to create a highly stable structure for safe global transport.
Wooden shipping pallets are fed continuously into the base of the machine from an automated delivery magazine. Heavy-duty strapping machines wrap incredibly strong plastic bands around the completed stacks to secure the load.
A protective plastic shroud is pulled over the entire pallet to shield the material from harsh weather.
Industrial thermal shrink wrappers blast the plastic cover with heat, locking the bricks into a tight cube.
Automated labeling machines apply detailed barcodes and tracking data directly to the side of the wrapped pallet.
Every package receives a unique digital fingerprint, allowing logistics teams to track its journey to the site.
Heavy electric forklifts move the finished pallets swiftly across the polished concrete floor toward the staging area. Thousands of completed packages await deployment in the massive outbound logistics warehouse, illuminated by bright industrial lights. Commercial freight trucks back into the loading docks to collect the heavy materials for regional construction projects. Warehouse operators load the heavy pallets onto the flatbed trailers carefully, maximizing the total legal carrying weight. Heavy-duty cargo straps are thrown across the brick pallets and ratcheted down tightly for highway transport. The logistics supervisor signs the final digital manifest, clearing the loaded truck for immediate nationwide commercial departure.
The massive diesel engine roars to life as the transport vehicle pulls away from the factory facility.
These durable building components begin their final journey toward a bustling commercial construction site across the country. The transport vehicle arrives at a massive commercial construction site to deliver the essential building components.
Rugged all-terrain forklifts immediately begin unloading the heavy pallets to stage them for the skilled masonry teams. Heavy crane systems hoist the wrapped pallets high into the air, delivering them directly to elevated scaffolding.
Construction workers slice open the heavy protective plastic shrouds, finally exposing the flawless terracotta bricks inside. Professional masons inspect the delivered materials, ensuring every single block meets their exacting standards for architectural construction. Nearby, a rugged industrial mixer churns a thick, heavy mortar paste required to bind the structural elements. The South Asian female craftsman expertly scoops the wet mortar, spreading a thick, perfectly uniform bed along the concrete foundation.
With practiced precision, the first brick is pressed firmly into the wet mortar and leveled into place.
A heavy steel trowel scrapes away the excess paste, creating a perfectly clean and satisfying structural joint. Working together in perfect rhythm, the masonry team rapidly transforms the loose blocks into a solid barrier.
Specialized interlocking corners are carefully constructed to maximize the overall load-bearing capacity of the heavy walls. Steel structural ties are embedded between the brick layers, anchoring the heavy facade securely to the framework. Once the mortar has completely cured, Specialized acid washes strip away any remaining residue from the surface.
The massive architectural facade stands completed, displaying an impressive combination of human craftsmanship and heavy industrial manufacturing. The rich terracotta color and rough, rustic texture give the modern structure a timeless, deeply classic aesthetic. Designed to endure extreme environmental conditions, these heavy structures effortlessly repel torrential rain and intense freezing temperatures. Even under the brutal, blistering heat of the summer sun, the vitrified clay remains structurally completely unyielding. Generations of people will walk past these massive walls, completely unaware of their violent and complex origins.
As the evening sun sets, the warm golden light highlights the incredible resilience of this ancient material.
From raw, excavated earth to a permanent architectural monument, the incredible journey of the industrial brick is complete.